Hi, hello and welcome to one more video with Wice World English. Today we have a topic for high, intermediate, advanced. The topic today is adjective clauses, identifying adjective clauses, part 4, and right now we're going to talk about how to make these sentences formal and casual. Okay, as we practiced in previous videos, we can connect these clauses with who or which, formal, right? Now notice that in the second clause, that connection is going to be in the subject. So very fast, pause the video and write your sentences using adjective clauses. I hope you have paused the video, and now let's check the answers very fast. The first one will be: the man who works at our school is young. The second one would be: I found a page which has the information. The next sentence would be: I saw the people who have a big house. And the final sentence is: the book which is on the table has 100 pages. Alright, so as you can see, these are the sentences as we practiced in the previous video. Now, to make these sentences a little more casual, the only thing that I'm going to do is change the relative pronoun. Instead of who and which, we're gonna write that. Let's see how it's done. Look at the changes. And now the sentences are a little more casual. Now, can you quickly identify the adjective clauses? Pause the video, identify the adjective clauses. And these are the adjective clauses. Now, remember that in the previous video we also talked about where to put the adjective clauses. I mean, the correct place for the defining adjective clauses. They are always next to the word, the man, the woman, the page, a man, a woman, a doctor, right? So next to the noun that is being modified, that's the correct place where you put the defining adjective clauses. Alright, but in the previous sentences, I show you sentences where the connection is in the subject. Now we're going to see adjective clauses where the connection is in the object. And how can we make these sentences more casual? Let's see. Okay, step by step, very fast, as we saw in previous videos, we can connect these sentences with whom or which. But remember that in these clauses, if you look at the second part, the connection is going to be in the object, not in the subject, right? Okay, so pause the video and write the sentences very fast. Okay, let's see the sentences now. I saw the man whom Maria likes, and the book which you want is on sale, right? So these are the sentences using the adjective clauses, defining adjective clauses. Now, if you have doubts or if in some of the sentences you made mistakes, remember that you can watch the previous videos, right? You just have to go find the previous videos in the list of videos and you can review. Now, how can you find these videos? Okay, very easy. Let me show you how. The only thing you have to do is go to the Instagram of Wice World English and click on the link that is there. And when you click on that link, you will have access to all the material, I mean everything from Wice World English. You will have access to the TikTok, the Facebook, the YouTube channel, and the complete list of videos plus extra material. Everything in Wice World English. Okay, when you are there and you see the list of videos, you will notice that they are classified by level. And you can also see the name of the video, the link of YouTube, and you will also find extra material to practice before or after each video. Everything in Wice World English. Okay, but let's continue with the lesson today. So as you can see, the sentence there is I saw the man whom Maria likes. That's a sentence using an adjective clause, and it's a formal sentence. How can we make this sentence more casual? Do you remember? Maybe you can pause the video and try your sentences, and then we will compare it together. Okay, I hope you have paused the video very fast. Let's see how we can make this sentence more casual. Okay, look at how the sentence is gonna change. So instead of saying I saw the man who Maria likes, you can say I saw the man who Maria likes. I can say I saw the man that Maria likes, or I can even say I saw the man Maria likes, and without the relative pronoun, without the connector. Okay, and this sentence, the last one, is commonly used in speaking, right? I saw the man that Maria likes. No, it's not very common to hear people saying in daily conversation, I saw the man whom. That's not very common. It's more the last one is commonly used in speaking. One more example. Look at that. The book which you want is on sale. So now we're gonna go like this. The book that you want is on sale, or you can also say the book you want is on sale. And the last sentence, remember, the last one is commonly used in speaking. All right, let's have some practice very fast, step by step. Okay, first I want you to connect the clauses that you have there using whom or which, as we practiced before and in the previous videos. Okay, that's the first one. Maria is a person whom we usually see at night. Okay, let's see the other sentences. I hope you have paused the video. The chart which you needed is online. The person whom you talk to is our neighbor. And the last one. This is a movie which we saw yesterday. Now we're gonna make these sentences more casual. Can you make the sentences more casual? Please pause the video, write your sentences, and then we're gonna check together. I hope you have paused the video, and now let's see the first two sentences. No? Okay, so those sentences are formal, we're gonna make them more casual. The first one would be Maria is a person who we usually see at 9, or Maria is a person that we usually see at 9, or just say Maria is the person we usually see at 9 without using the relative pronoun. Remember that the last one is commonly used in speaking. Okay, what about the second one? The chart that you needed is online, or just say the chart you needed is online. Okay, these are the last two sentences. Let's see. The first one. The person who you talk to is our neighbor, or the person that you talk to is our neighbor, or the person you talk to is our neighbor. The last one, commonly used in speaking. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. This is the movie that we saw yesterday, or this is the movie we saw yesterday. The last one, commonly used in speaking. Okay, wait, I have news for you, something interesting. Thank you very much to all the followers, because one of our videos had more than 1,000 views. Thank you very much. And remember, like, share the video, subscribe, activate the little bell. Okay, and that was all for the lesson today. We didn't have time to talk about adjective clauses with prepositions, but don't worry, we're gonna do that in the next video. So that was all with identifying adjective clauses, formal and casual. In the next video, part 5, I promise is the last one, we're gonna talk about adjective clauses with prepositions. Okay, and this is gonna be the last video of adjective clauses identifying. Then we have to talk about non-identifying, but that's another story. Okay, so I will see you in future videos. Thanks for following me in Wice World English, and I will see you in future videos. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.